Okay.
Are you ready?
Alright, now I am.
Okay, I've never filmed this before.
Wait, hold on, stop. I'm on. Sorry, stop your video first. Sorry, I'm.
Okay, you ready?
Alright, now I am.
Oh, this is an A series. Very interesting. Look at that.
Enterprise Square in Plano, Texas. Really want to get ready to take this elevator.
I'm sure Gloos has been here before.
Oh, yes, he has.
Nice.
I want to see the elevator cat.
Oh, this looks so vintage. Oh, this looks like a Dillard style elevator. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you for showing this to me.
Installed in 1989.
I want to switch sides. This reminds me of the Dillards at Sunland Park Mall.
They used to have the bumpers, but they took it out. They took it out and replaced with a sensor. This is definitely worth checking out. I really want to film this.
I'm gonna get off on 2.
Alright.
And then you can continue your video if you want. I'm gonna get off and I'm just gonna wait for you in the car.
Alright.
Okay, let's go. Well, you can continue getting your video.
Alright.
Have fun. Good.